tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all.
Hello family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Nancy and feel more appreciated. In today's video, we are going to make wet fry liver, and let's begin.
Fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, oblivion. Oh, going
Today's spices are mixed spices, turmeric powder and curry powder. So the ingredients that we need are green bell pepper, coriander, tomatoes, and onion.
You can't fall asleep when you're counting stars. Get it together. You might.
My liver is washed as well as my ingredients.
Now you wanna see me fall. From a quarter mile, I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring will tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, oblivion. Oh, going into oblivion. Fall into oblivion. Forget Fall into oblivion, I'm going now.
Run away, and I know I'm right now. We can change anything and make it better together. Now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Run away, and time will find a place that we waiting for?